Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Yeah. So welcome back to School Quiz here. So Akhil sir, can you off chat there? Akhil sir, can you off the chat there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. So okay. Tell me, beta. So where we have to start it there? And last time we have discussed regarding some points. So as the exam is coming here, so just ask the doubt there. Whatever doubts you're having, just clear with me. So what topic you want to discuss now? Tell me, beta, what topic you want to discuss?
Sir, time and work.
Yeah, time and work there. So correct, time and work. So see, so what's your name? Who asked these questions?
Sir, me Vaishnavi.
Yeah, Vaishnavi. Yeah. So see, the terms you have learned in your subject, that chapter name is direct and inverse proportion, right? Inverse proportions. You know, means you heard this number point now regarding direct and inverse proportions there, correct?
Yes,
There,
sir.
Yes.
there actually in these direct proportions and inverse proportions. So if once you clear this topic, then definitely this thing, time and work, time and the distance there, speed, the related things will be clear easily there. So once try to understand this one. So see, direct proportions, what we have discussed that day. If suppose one quantity, if I'm increasing one quantity here, correct? So if I'm increasing one quantity, means one anything else there. I'm just increasing these terms. And what I'm saying, second term, which is related to x, is also increasing. For example, so if I purchase 1 kg rice, okay, if I purchase 1 kg rice of rupees, suppose 40, okay. So now less than 40, you will not get any rice also. Okay. So if 1 kg rice is rupees 40, then if I'll purchase 2 kg rice, so what I have done, I have just increased this quantity 2 kg. So what about this side? This quantity, just a link with this one rice. This will be become double of that. Understand? Means this also increase. So that must be increased, correct? So that is all about the direct proportions here. Correct. So similarly, when I change, suppose let it be if I want to do some work there, and I'm just keeping labor, suppose 2 workers I'm keeping here, and that will means complete my work in suppose 4 days. Let it be correct. So if I increase the worker, let it be I 2 workers, I change to suppose 4 workers. So what I have done here, I increase this data, the quantity. So what will happen here? This side, time will be taken less or more. What will happen with the time?
Sir, less.
Yes.
Correct. Maybe 2 days, 3 days, whatever days, that depends on the capacity of that worker. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah. So now, uh, so see this proportions we can call it as inverse proportions. Correct. Inverse proportions. So your time and work is also that is a part of inverse proportions only. Means how we can decide that one. So just take an example and then we will go with this one. So everyone, you know about this one. Distance is equals to speed into time, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But time here, distance is proportional to speed and time also. So if I increase this part, this two will be automatic increases. But if I mention time and suppose with work, this will be like that. That means if I increase the time, so see, suppose whatever the things are doing here, let it be if I'm saying, you can understand like that. So let it be 2 by, suppose 20 by 2 I am saying. What I am getting here? 20 by 2 means how what I can write
10.
here?
10.
Now I am just changing that one. 2 by 4. What happening here?
5.
5.
5, sir. 5.
Again, 20 by 5.
4.
4. 4, sir. 4.
20 by 10.
2.
2. 2.
20 by 20.
0.
1, sir.
1.
1.
1, sir.
20 by 20, 0. Don't keep that 0. Okay. So, clear? Regarding 20 by 20 is not 0. That is 1. Because 20 people, 20 chocolate you are having distributed among 20 people. Correct. So if you think like that, then you get 0 there. But what will happen here? You have to cut like that, divide. So see, the people how they will understand if 20 students are and 20 chocolate you are having, you are distributing 20 student, then you can take one and you are keeping 0 some. But that is not the actual things. What is the division means? If 20 chocolates are there and 20 students are there, so how much each student will get? So that is equals to 1. So you have to think like. So now come to our point. So what's happening here? See this denominator part. Correct? So what's happening here in the denominator part?
Increasing.
Increasing.
Increasing, sir.
What about this one?
Decreasing.
Decreasing, sir.
Decreasing, sir.
That means whenever you are getting this type of things, correct. Whenever you are getting this type of things, means one is in there in numerator and another one is in denominator in another side. Then definitely what will happen? One will be increased and other will be decreased like that. Correct. So
Yes,
that is
sir.
a time and work. Time and work must be that is inversely proportional here. Okay. So so what you can do by questions, correct? Whenever you are getting the questions, so let's take one questions and from there you can understand. So suppose let it be Vaishnavi doing some work and she is completing that in suppose 10 days, correct? And similarly, when Rani joined that work and same work she is completed in suppose 12 days. So how much, let it be how much time or day they will need to complete same work time or day they need to complete the same work completely. Sure. So see, this is the questions regarding time and work, correct? So see, Vaishnavi, they're doing the work in how many days? 10 days, correct? And same work Rani is doing in 12 days. So who is doing means more fast? Means
Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi is doing means quickly as compared to Rani, correct? So whose efficiency is good?
Vaishnavi.
Correct.
Vaishnavi.
Suppose, so don't take it serious. Rani you also can do it in 8 days, no problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So see, so how you can do that? So now work we need. So time they are taken, time taken by Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi is nothing but 10 days. So what is the work for this? So work taken by Vaishnavi is nothing but just reverse, make it reverse. That is a work. So this is nothing but 1 by time we have to do. As I have told you, no, time is nothing but 1 by work. So if you write work also, you can make it as a 1 by time. Understand? Clear? Clear this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
by Rani, suppose. So how much? 12 days. So what about work? Work.
1 by 12.
So 1 by 12. Correct. So don't mention anything here. Work here. Understand unit, because you are just calculating as a unit here. So don't keep it here. So together they want to play. Together means they will work together, no? Together means we have to add work of Vaishnavi plus work of Rani. That you have to do or not? Rani and Vaishnavi, what we have to add? So add it there. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12. How much? What is LCM? 1 by 10 plus 12.
60.
Huh? 60. So LCM, I already told what is LCM. This is a junction point where this both the multiple train will meet. So 10 and 12 will meet in the first junction, that is 20, 60 there, correct? So 10, 6 means 6 plus 12 5 correct? Understand this addition?
Yes, sir.
Anyone any confusion in that addition?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Tell me if you have anything, then you
Sir.
can go with it. Tell me बेटा.
सर अगर दोनों अगर वही काम साथ में करे तो
तो वही तो साथ में ही तो कर रहे हैं ना. तो ये जो काम है ना,
सर बाय 60.
क्या वेट दोनों जो साथ में, ये किसका एफिशिएंसी है? ये वैष्णवी का एफिशिएंसी है कि ये कितनी जल्दी काम करता है. वर्क का मतलब क्या होता है? काम करने का तो वे कि वो कितनी जल्दी काम कर रही है. दैट इज अ रेशियो 1 by 10, करेक्ट. और रानी कैसे काम कर रही है? 1 by 12. क्लियर? तो ये
Yes, sir.
इस हिसाब से वैष्णवी काम कर रही है, इस हिसाब से रानी काम कर रही है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो टुगेदर मींस whatever work Rani Vaishnavi will do, or it's not like that ना. If Rani join with Vaishnavi, क्या करेगी? इग्नोर करना स्टार्ट कर दे. करेक्ट? ऐसा तो नहीं है ना. ज्यादा काम रानी से करवा दे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा काम. ऐसा है क्या? ऐसा तो नहीं है ना. Vaishnavi is there. Vaishnavi is there.
Yes, sir.
तो ऐसा तो नहीं कि रानी ज्वाइन की तो वैष्णवी का काम रानी कर देगी. इट्स नॉट लाइक
No,
दैट.
sir.
They are individually we have to make their efficiency. So this efficiency have done by Vaishnavi, this efficiency they have done by Rani. So this individual is added, then they will work together, na? Correct. So according to that, whatever answer you are getting, that is the first you will get. Understand? So 1 by, this is a work actually. Work equals to how much you are getting here? 11 by 68. This is a work when they are doing together. Okay, this is a work they are doing together. So what is the time? Just reverse it. 1 by work, no? Correct? So this is nothing but 60 by 11. So what we can have? 5. How much? 55 means 5 by 11. So it's nothing but how much they will take? 5 plus 5 by 11 days. This also days. If you want to convert it in that hour also, you can convert. So what you have to do here? 5 days they will need. Correct. 5 days plus some more days. Regarding almost half days they need. 5 by 11 is around how much? Almost 4 point something you get. Correct. 4.5. 0.45. How much you can get after this one? So 0.45, na? So almost half days. So 5 and half days they will take, and for the same work when they will do together. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do one question. I'll give you one question, sir. So again, see, suppose Mayank. Let it be Mayank and Sonal. So Mayank, suppose Mayank doing the work in 12 days. Mayank alone can finish a work in 12 days. Mayank alone, Mayank alone can finish a work in suppose 12 days, and same work Sonal will do in 15 days. How much time they need to complete the work together? Complete if they work together. Sorry. If they work together. Calculate it. Sonal is there. Sonal?
Yes, sir.
I am audible to you.
Yes, sir.
So how many days you need? It means you and Mayank will complete the same work.
I am doing.
Do it. And try to convert in hours also. Means I'll tell you to how to convert in hours.
Sir, 60, 20, 14 minutes. Sorry.
Sir, 3 days and
Different answer we are getting. No problem. See here.
3 days and 8 hours.
So see, work of Mayank is nothing but how much? 1 by 12. Correct. Work of Sonal is 1 by 15. Correct. Now together means work of Mayank plus work of Sonal. So you have to add it there. 1 plus 12 plus 1 by 15 is the work of Mayank. Sonal. What is LCM? Same 60.
60.
60, sir.
So 12 5 is 60, correct now? 12 5 is 60. 15 4
Yes,
is
sir.
60. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So this is 9 by 60.
60.
This is work together. So how much time they will take? Time is nothing but reverse of 1 by work. Okay. So this is 60 by 9. So 9 6 are 56. Correct. 9 6 are 56. 4 will left there. So 4 by 9. So if you cancel days you need. So if you cancel 6 plus these 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 by 3 days. So can I change it as a 6 plus 2 by 3? So in one day, how many hours are there?
24.
24.
24, correct. So this is regarding hours. So 6 day plus 3, 8 are 24. So 8 2 are 16 hours. So 6 days, how much? 16 hours they need to complete the same work. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now listen here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now listen here. Sometimes what type of question they will give? They will give you like suppose some work is suppose Mike is doing it. And suppose what happened in between, suppose Mayank they started another work and he left the first work. Correct. So that work they have to do, that work have to done by Sonal. Correct. So they will ask you the question like that. If someone will leave that work and they are doing this or they are continuing some other work, so other will have to complete that work. So how you can complete, how you can do that, those type of questions?
Sir, there was a question of this type in RS server.
Yes, yes. So whenever you are getting that type of questions, see, try to see the logic. What you have to do. So simply, suppose Mayank have done that work in suppose for 3 days. Let it be. Okay. So they are together. They are completing that work in suppose 12 days. So not 12 days. That will be 6 days. Or this one only, na? How much? This how much we got here? 9 by 60 by 9. Work how much? Time is nothing but 60 by 9 is 6, 2 by 3, 8. Both together they can complete that work in 6 2 by 3 days. Correct. Let's suppose 3 days they work together, and suppose Mike left that work. What will happen? So for 3 days they work together. Correct. Understand? For 3 days they work together. Then see, this is the work they have to do. Correct. This is the total work actually they have to do. So for 3 days, who have done together? They have done. So how much work left is there? How much work is left? So 3 days they have done together. So how much work is left? How you can find? For 3 days they have worked together.
Sir, half work.
Half or half. We can't say by fractional, na? Correct. We can't say that will be in the fraction. See, simply na, 3 days they work together in a sense. How much work they will do? This only na. Together they are doing that work. If I reverse, then I can do that one. So together they are doing this much work na. Understand? Together they are doing this much work only na.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So for 3 days means
Yes.
3 days they are doing that much of work. 3 days how much? 3 into that one. So how much you can get it there? 3 20 means 9 by 20 work. Understand? So how
Yes,
much
sir.
work is left?
Yes, sir.
So work is left how much? Work left is how much? So fractional, we know that total fraction will be 1
11 by 20.
9 by 20. Correct. So 1 minus 9 by 20 is nothing but how much? So this much work who will do? Sonal will do there.
Both.
Left.
Correct. So how much time they will take for Sonal? How much time more Sonal will take?
Sir, 20 by 11.
20 by 11.
20 by 11 is the time when they will do together. But what about the Sonal? See, the things are interlinked whenever we are doing one topic or other topic. See, if I say one kg potato price is 15 rupees, understand? Correct. So if I purchase 10 kg, so what is the price of means if I purchase suppose for 90 rupees, how many potato I can purchase? So this work has to done by who? Sonal. So I have to, this is a total work. Correct. This is a total work. So total work, how much left there? Divide total means work, total work. Divide by Sonal capacity is enough. Work. Did you understand this or not? All are silent there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How we can do that? Simply how I can make you understand. Listen here. See,
Sir, we will divide 20 by 11 like that.
it's simple. The number of days means total work divide by Sonal work. Correct. So Sonal work is how much? Total work is 11 by 20. Sonal work is how much? Sonal work is how much? 1 by 15 is there. Correct. So if I do divide,
Yes, sir.
15 by 1 will come. Correct.
Yes,
15 by
sir.
1 will come. So 5 3s are 5 4s are. So 11 3s are 33 by 4. Understand? So see, listen here. 33 by 4, that means how many days? 8s are 32. Correct. 4 8s are 32 plus 1 by 4 into 24. So 6. 8 days plus 6 hours they need. See, same work before they are doing in 6 days and 16 hours when they are doing work together. Correct. So now suppose if bank left that work, the same work they have to do by the Sonal. So Sonal will take more days or less days?
More days. More days.
More days. So for same work, how many days they need? They took for the same work. 3 days where they work together, and this is the work on the sonar done in 8 days, 6 hours. Did you clear this one? समझ में आया कुछ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are saying yes like that only, or you understand this one?
सर लास्ट का
Sir,
फिर से
understand.
रिपीट कर दीजिए.
Last term.
यस सर लास्ट टर्म में सर.
Yeah. So see, this is the total work actually they are doing by this one. So if I say see work of Sonal plus work of mind, work of Sonal and work of mind, they are completing in 9 by 60 days, correct? So both they have done. So this is the work, correct? This is the work actually. Whenever you are calculating in that terms, so you can say that it's the per one means single. Understand? So that is the work for both. So if they are doing together, how much they need for 3 days? So you can keep it as a this is for 1 day work. This is how much work? Only for 1 day.
1 day.
This work is only for how much? How many days? 1 day work.
1 day.
For both.
1 day.
Work of Sona and
Yes.
work of Mayank. If they need for 3 days, for 3 days, 3 days means nothing but 3 into work for 1 day. Correct?
Yes sir.
So this is nothing but if I multiply 9 by 60 here, so 9 by nothing but 20. This is the work they have done together. Now see here, efficiency reduce or not? For 3 days, see, this is for 1 day when they are doing complete work. Now they have not done the complete work. So now this is not the this work is reduced or not?
Yes,
Correct.
Yes sir.
So you have to think like that.
Yes.
So now one minute. Yeah. Is it visible to you? Correct.
Yes.
Yes
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Work left is nothing but we know fractional. For any fractions, some will be 0 or some will be 1 only. So how much left is nothing but 9 by 20. So how much we are getting? 11 by 20. This work they need to do. So who will do? Sonal will do. Correct. Sonal
Yes sir.
efficiency. Suppose whenever you are doing, suppose for volume of one example I'll keep like in mensuration. Suppose in mensuration when you are doing, let it be surface area of one bricks is let it be 4 centimeters square. Correct. And they have to cover total surface where they have to put bricks is suppose 200 centimeters square. So if they need, so how many number of bricks they need to cover this much area? So how we can find? How you can find? Surface area of one brick is this much, and this is the total surface area that bricks must be covered. Let it be like that. This is there. I need to place a bricks there. Correct. So one bricks will cover this much. So how many? So this total surface area have to divide with this surface area. Then that will give the number of bricks. Correct. That will give
Yes sir.
number of bricks. That is the total surface area divided by area of bricks. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So see, so for same thing, this total work is there, which is left. They have to do. Who will do? Sonal will do. So if I need the number of days, so simply what I have to do? 11 by 20 divided by means total work left by zonal work. That will we have to do or not?
Yes, sir.
You are relating these things or not? This is the work they have to do by zonal. So total work divided by zonal work, that will give you the number of days. Understand? So how we are doing here? So same thing we have to apply here also. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me again, if anything is there.
No, sir.
Yeah. So, are you clear your things there, Ashwini? This type of question, see, try to understand the things only, what things are happening here. So, same question I told because you can relate the things like that only. So, easily you can understand the time network like that. So, anything more you want to discuss? Tell me. What do you want to discuss again, man? You don't have any doubt there.
Sir, where we have minus 1 minus 9 by 20.
See, suppose one cake is there. So one cake is there. I want to cut that cake in this one. So suppose I am just writing a number here. Okay. So total 8 part is there. So if I am saying, so suppose 3 part I am giving to let it be class 7, another student. So this part I just gave to that class 7 there. This part of cake I have given to one other one student, suppose. How much part is left? How you can find? Simply 3 part you have given. So total how much left? 5 out of 8.
Yes, sir. I will.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Total how much?
Yes,
5
sir.
out of 8 is left. How you can get? Can I do 1 minus 3 by 8? I can get the remaining part. How much I am getting? 8. 8 minus 3. This is nothing but 5 by 8. So here I know the part cake part. So this is the actual property of fraction actually. This is the property of fractions. So in fraction, how we can write? Total will indicate in the denominators, and this top part how much we are taking here. Correct. So how much is left means I can do like that. Here I know the parts there, so I can do. Suppose if I'll say that 9 by 60 work is there. Correct. 9 by 60 work is there, but I don't know their exact. I can suppose if it is, let it be, if it is 6 parties there and there 8 parties there. If I mention here 2 by 4, I can I write it as a 3 by 4 also? This one? 6 by
Yes,
8,
sir.
can I write it as a 3 by 4?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So suppose before, if I not say this one, okay, this part of cake is there. I just gave you this one 3 by 4. Can you tell me? Can you say this is exactly number of parts are having here? By seeing this,
No,
can
sir.
you predict the actual number of how much part I cut in for this cake? If they gave you this one without giving this part and this part,
No, sir.
No, sir.
I can't predict. Understand? So here also I don't know. This is the total there. I don't know exactly. This is the total part actually. And suppose if I say which one I get 11 by 20 I get, no? Correct?
Yes,
See,
sir.
20 is there. Here 20 is there. So how can I relate here? This one, and this one. Here I just said I told you regarding, okay, out of 8 parts 3 have taken here. So how much is left? So total 5 is left. 5 out of 8 I get. So here both are different here. Correct na? These both are different. So
Yes,
how
sir.
I can predict how much work is left? Correct. So I have to go with this method only.
Yes, sir.
Understand? How much is left? I have to go with this method only because this I can't predict. This this I can only predict when this total part they have given to me. Understand? Or else I can't
Yes,
predict
sir.
how much part is left there. Okay, so I have to go with this total method because if you add 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8, how much you can get there? 8 by 8, that is nothing but 1.
Yes,
Total,
sir.
for any fractional part, total will always represent with 1. Clear? This total will always represent with 1.
Yes, sir.
Sure? Understand now? Man, did you
Yes, sir.
understand why you have subtracted?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I
Yeah.
understand.
Yes.
So, tell me anything more you want to discuss? So, tell me.
Sir, I have doubt in one question.
Tell me, Vila.
Yes, sir. A grocer purchased 200 kg of rice at rupees 25 per kg. He sold 80 kg of it at gain of 10% and 40 kg at a loss of 4%. At what
Yeah.
rate per
Wait, 1
kg should
minute.
he sell?
Just show me the question. I mean, tell me the question again.
Yes, sir. A grocer purchased
Okay. Purchased how much?
200 kg of rice
200 kg. Okay. Rice.
at rupees 25 per kg.
25 per kg. Okay. Next.
Yes, sir. He sold 80 kg of it at gain of 10%.
Sold 80 kg at rupees.
At gain of 10%
Okay. Gain of 10%.
and 40
And
kg at loss of 4%.
40 kg.
Yes,
40 kg loss of
loss of 4%.
4%.
At what
And
rate percent should he sell the remainder to gain 8% on his total investment?
yeah, so how means whatever the means rice is left, they have to do with this one. So let it be. So first we need to find purchase means cost price. Okay, what is the total cost price? Total cost is how much? 200 into 25. 55,000. This is the total cost price for 200 kg of rice. Is it okay?
Yes,
25 to the 50, these two will come here. So this is the cost price of this one. Now for 80 kg, they gain how much? 10%. So what is the cost price? How we can find the cost price of this one? If I'll say, sorry, selling price of this one, how we can do that? What is the price of this one then? How we can do it?
sir, can you repeat?
What I'm saying, so he said at around 80 kg for gain of 10%. Correct. Correct. So gain of 10% means see simply for which point they are asking saying that these things there means cost price will be only for this one they are choosing. So what will be the selling price for this one in this side there? Selling price will be how much? 100 plus this 10 divided by 100 into 25. This is for selling price for 1 kg.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
1 kg is how much? 4 is okay. This is 4. So 110 by 4 is how much? How much will come? Just dividing is make it 4 there. 55 and
So
55.
27.5.
How much?
27.5.
27.5 per kg he sold.
25.
That's why he get the 10% of gain there. Correct. So this is first for 80 kg. How much? So how much price they can get? So 80 into 27.5. So this is the price he got when he sold on 10% of gain. Correct?
Yes.
When he paid that price on the price of 27.5, that's why he get the gain of 10%.
Yes.
Okay. So now for 40 kg. For 40 kg, let it be. For 40 kg means selling price will be how much? 100 minus 4% by 100 into 25. Same cost per jahte hai 0. Clear?
Yes.
This is 25 by 4. This is nothing but 96 by 4. How much will come? 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. So 24 rupees per kg they sold the next 40 kg rice. So price for 40 kg, how much? Price for how much? 40 kg. Correct? So 40 into 24 we have to do. How much they earn from this? How much money she got from this one? They got from this. 40 into 24, how much?
Rupees 960.
How much you got here? 18. 8 means you can do it like that. Huh? 8 5s are 40. 8 7s are 56 plus 4, 60. 6. 8 2 is 16 plus 6, how much? 22.
Yes, sir.
16 plus
200.
2200 he got from.
The 2200.
And they are selling
2200.
80 kg. Correct. How much
Yes.
rice means 80 kg rice? They sold at the price of 27.5. So how much they earned? 2200. Why I know this zero? Because of this decimal here. Correct. So because of this decimal, I didn't kept this zero here. Just I multiplied with 275 by 8 here. So here also you have to do. So 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 9.
960.
960. He gave when they said 40 kg rice of 24. So now add this one. Add means how much? Add both. So total money he got. Total money he got from selling for selling how much? So 2000 plus 960. How much will come? 0 6
3100.
11 3160 rupees he gave when he said how much rice 80 plus 40 120 kg. So rest how many kg left? 80 kg left. Correct.
Yes, sir.
So what they gave in the last line I didn't heard. They need no profit no gain. Correct now.
At what rate per kg should he sell the remainder to gain 8% on his total investment?
8% on this one. Now, so we know that selling price we need there, correct? Selling price they need when they ask you 8% of gain, correct? Understand, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
8% of gain. So into cost price how much?
25.
How much? How much? 25 only, na? If they need 8% of gain there, so they have to 316. Wait. If
sell
I
for 1 kg.
one. This is for listen. So total. See, for this 80 kg only they have to shoulder simply. So just do it that one. How much selling price will come when they have 8% of gain? $25, correct? So 25 4.
Yes,
So
sir.
how much?
2500. 108 by 4.
27.
So total 27.
27 piece,
Yes.
correct? So
Yes, sir.
now for 80 kg, if I'll say, okay. So see, they need to sell that 27. So total money selling price will be this one for 80 kg. 2 for 80 I need this one money. Simply I can how much you're getting by reducing this one minus 3160. Is it the correct answer 27? What is the correct answer there?
Sir, 27 only.
27 only, na?
Yes.
Yes,
Huh?
27.
37.
No, sir,
27.
27.
27.
So
Answer is
27 only.
27.
Yes, sir.
See, the question is clear only, I think. So there is no need to see if 80 kg there, 40 kg this one, 80 kg this one. So you can do one more way. See, they have to gain. See, no need to go with this total things also. They need actually 8.27 one. So if I'll purchase 8% of gain for 1 kg, how much money I can get it from this? 27 into 80, how much?
Sir,
You can cross check this
22,
one. How much
22,
money we
30,
can get it
100.
from this? 27 into 8, 8 7 are 56, correct? Into the 16 plus 5.
2230.
Into the 16 plus 5, how much? 21? 2160?
Sir, 2160.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How much money is left here? 2000? So if I add this 3160 plus 2160, see, simply the things are there now. So they ask, they're not asking, no need to involve with the kg also. Okay, no need to involve with the kg also. Whatever the kg they left, obviously they need 8%. Gross price is always fixed. They not mention anything regarding the cost price. Correct? So if they not mention anything regarding cost price, simply the things will be the same for all. Okay. So there is no issue to go with that. I think for these questions, no need to do this thing also. If you do this directly, you can get it there. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, anything else? Student, anything else is there?
No, sir.
Yeah. So which subject you want for sessions again?
Sir, bio.
Sir, bio.
Sir, bio.
Biology. So okay. Yeah. So anything there to discuss again here? More?
Yeah, sir, I want to add a few
Yeah.
things.
Yes.
So, students, um, we are doing this for you. I mean, we are running free classes so that you can attend and you can learn something from this class. You can enhance your knowledge. So, students, I would say please promote this with your friends, like other schoolmates, or even friends from other schools as well, so that they will know about school quiz and they can also sign up, take the free quiz. They can attend this free sessions. Yeah, please let your friends also know. Yeah, that's it.